What is up, guys? It's time for Dylan, back at it again with another crypto video. Thank you guys for tuning in. You guys are awesome. If you're new here, subscribe, bell icon, get notified when I post new videos because it's all time sensitive. In today's video, you already know what we're going to do. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get in on the action with the Bitcoin punks. Now, as you guys know, Ordinals or the NFTs on Bitcoin, these things are brand new, so collections are popping up left and right. But this collection in particular is one that has seemed to gain a lot of traction very quickly. So, of course, you guys already know it's CryptoPunks, but on the Bitcoin blockchain. So there's a lot of controversy on crypto Twitter. A lot of people not liking it, but we're going to leave all that to the side and simply talk about this because there's money to be made. Floor price ripping. This project is one you guys want to keep on your radar. So make sure you guys stay tuned until the end of this video so you don't miss out on any of this important information. First things first, let's do a quick look at the crypto market. Global crypto market cap down a little bit, about 0.5%. Bitcoin still hovering right around 21.8. Of course, market's down. You guys already know what happened with the SEC settling with Kraken, $30 million because of staking. What's going on with the US? What's going on with staking? Are we going to see a crash in all staking cryptocurrencies? I'm not too sure, but we did just get this breaking news, guys. The SEC is going to be suing Paxos, which is a crypto trust, over the Binance stablecoin, BUSD. Not looking good. We did hear rumors about the United States Justice Department, SEC, coming for Binance. There were rumors. It was talked about. We heard about it when this whole FTX scandal was first unraveling, because you guys saw what happened. We saw Binance, CZ, FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried clashing on Twitter. But of course, what are we seeing? We're seeing the SEC suing crypto trust Paxos. Not a good look. That is probably why we are seeing cryptos taking a nosedive real time. Not a good look. I will be very interested to see what happens with the market overall. If you guys are new here, I like to talk about Cardano NFTs as a whole, but we're not going to talk about that in today's video. Just so you guys know, if you're interested, follow along. But moving on along really quick, one story I wanted to make sure to highlight was this. Since today is Super Bowl Sunday, we got the Super Bowl going on as I'm recording this video. We're not going to see any crypto ads this year. I'm sure the people learned their lessons last year. No more crypto ads. Is it a good thing? Is it a bad thing? I'll let you guys decide. But anyway, moving on along. What are these things? Bitcoin punks. You guys already know. 10,000 original. I don't know. You guys be the judge of that. But it's a 10,000 out of 10,000 NFT collection. This was originally on the Ethereum blockchain. This is the OG collection on Ethereum blockchain. That's why there's a lot of controversy surrounding this particular mint on Bitcoin. But what was it? Free 10,000 NFTs or ordinals on the Bitcoin blockchain. So these things are gone. 10,000 out of 10,000 minted. And if you guys click on the Twitter, click on the Discord, you guys will see that there's not a lot of information out there about how to actually scoop up one of these. And if you guys are in the Discord, you see it's rolling. People are going crazy. And of course, every now and again, you'll see a link from OpenSea. OpenSea is for Ethereum and Polygon and other blockchains, not Bitcoin. And as you guys know, if you guys, or maybe you don't know, because this thing is brand new, there is not a dedicated marketplace for NFTs on Bitcoin's blockchain. So what is going on? How do you buy one of these suckers? Well, this is how you're going to do it. First things first. This is legit, right? The ones on OpenSea, but the trick is locating the real ones. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. First off, if you're in the Discord, you're probably going to be seeing these links popping around, right? Ordinal Observer and links to OpenSea, people trying to flip their NFTs. Are they legit? I'm going to show you guys exactly how to figure it out. So first things first, you're going to click on one of the links. We already found one. And what you're going to do, first things first, this is the most crucial step. You're going to hover over right here, the collection name. Because in this, you're going to see volume, which as you guys can see, we're at 38,300 Ethereum. So there's a bunch of scam collections out there. There's people trying to scam you because there's so much money to be made in this space, guys. Brand new. This is the wild, wild west of crypto. We're in the wild, wild west of NFTs. Give yourself a pat on the back if you're watching this video, straight up. But as you guys can see, 38,000 ETH in volume. That's a lot of money. Nobody is going to be able to fake that much ETH in such a short amount of time. So this is the legitimate collection. But we're not done yet. We got to make sure that this is legitimate first, right? So what are we going to do? What you need to do now is click on these little three dots or the ellipses over here on the right, top right corner. and click view website. So from here, it's going to take you over to Emblem Finance. Now, if you guys don't know, the way that this is possible on OpenSea, the way it's possible to sell these NFTs or the Ordinals on Ethereum's blockchain on OpenSea is through Emblem Vault. So Emblem Vault is a pretty cool project. It's a tool for mass adoption. It allows buyers and sellers to easily switch between blockchains. So basically the way this works is we put the Ordinal inside of a vault, and then that vault gets wrapped for Ethereum, right? And it's sold as an Ethereum token. So then what happens is we can sell that on OpenSea, and then the buyer can buy that vault, right? And take out the Ordinal from that vault. It's pretty simple, and it's pretty cool, and it's awesome that we're able to do this, because otherwise it would be 100% OTC, and the chances of getting scammed are so high, it's ridiculous. So anyway, let's keep looking at this, right? So this is the emblem.finance metadata that is incorporated in this vault, right? This is the actual vault right here. So if you scroll down, there's some information about the deposit address. So right here, here's the Bitcoin address. All we're gonna do is click on that and just leave this here, because we're gonna come back later to compare the address of that Ordinal with this one to make sure that it's in the correct vault. So now what we do, right? We come back here to OpenSea, we look at the number 7886, and then we come back to the Bitcoin Punks website. And then if you scroll down, we're actually able to find the punks by their IDs. So 7886, boom, and as you guys can see, that is the same one. So now we hover over this and we click on ORDS, Ordinals, right? This gives us just a history of the transaction information. So if we click on this link, it will take us to a new page that will have the information about where this is actually stored, what Bitcoin address it's stored in. And if we scroll down, this right here is the address, 1 CBN, blah, 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 blah. If we come back to the Emblem Vault, it looks like it's correct. 1 CBN, ZKA, blah, 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 1 CBN, KA, blah, yep. So that is the correct address, guys. So that means that this right here is a real Ordinal. So as you guys can see, the prices on these things are not cheap. And at the time of making this video, I believe the floor price for these Ordinals is somewhere around 1.5 ETH, maybe a little bit lower, a little bit higher. It has been fluctuating heavily. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. If you guys made it this far, you guys are awesome. Make sure you guys smash that like button, drop a comment down below, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Have to say a quick shout out to this guy right here, AdaMcBride.OG NFT archaeologist. He's the one that posted the thread explaining exactly how to do this. I just wanted to make it in a video format for those of you that don't want to read 14 tweets. But anyway, you guys have a beautiful day, beautiful night, wherever you guys are. Dylan is out.